Go straight, walk up to the gate, walk straight.
Yes.
And MRT is there.
Sambawang MRT.
Near the mini mart.
Mini mart.
Mini mart. I see one mini mart there. Yeah, I go straight.
Here is gate.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go
straight, yeah.
Mini mart here.
Mini mart, yeah.
Correct. You go straight. Here is one bridge.
Bridge, yeah.
Bridge. Inside MRT.
I have to cross the bridge.
Just cross here. MRT.
The bridge. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. And then
You take MRT. $1.80.
$1.80.
What charge?
Okay. At night time, what is the last train from Orchard going back?
11:30.
11:30. Last time
Last time.
from Orchard to Sibawa.
Saturday, Sunday, 12 o'clock. Until
Saturday, Sunday. Until 12 o'clock. Until 12 o'clock. You can still come back. When the train says this is Orchard, or when they say this is Simbawa,
always allowance.
always announce. Wow.
Allowance. Also the all station stop all lighting they have
Okay.
already.
Yes, I will not be lost. I'm tomorrow planning myself to be
Just get
my
down.
first time go Singapore.
Just get down your MRT. Follow the people. Go down, go up like that.
I'm coming back also. And no Singapore, no problem. Thief, muggers. If I go back at night, 12 o'clock.
No problem. Singapore don't have.
Okay. Philippines, Bengal.
Singapore don't have.
Manila, plenty. Woo!
Singapore don't have.
Also Bangladesh, right?
Bangladesh have.
Yeah.
So Bangladesh now don't have.
Oh, afraid now.
Now okay.
Now Islamic rules, huh?
No. Because it's now government change.
Ah,
Now it's army.
army.
Controlling.
Marcelo ah.
Marcelo.
Who is there?
No,
Solfikar?
Marcelo.
Solfikar Ali?
Marcelo never give.
Junta.
Just take over the army. Army take over all this.
Zulfikar? Ali Bhutto?
Just like Thailand ah.
No. This one is the now before is the Hasina. After Khaleda, Amele BNP 2 party. So now going to Dr. Farooq, another party.
Your language, the same with the Hindu, Urdu,
Bangla.
No, Bangla.
Bangla, but you can
Yeah.
understand with the Hindi.
Yes. Majority.
Tamil different Tamil.
Tamil.
Tamil Nadu,
Hindi and
but look the same. Yeah, because this India continent before one, no Pakistan, no Bangladesh, only one.
India is one. So India is language 19 language. 19 language is India. Bangladesh one language only Bangla. So some of part have the 3-4 language.
Yeah, but Bangla can understand with Urdu.
Yeah, Bangla can understand Urdu, Bangla can understand
Hindi.
Hindi. Two of
Yeah,
part.
this is the international language.
But Bangla plenty majority Muslim.
80%. 80%.
We Hindu only.
That's why the
Some of
party.
10% of Hindu.
Yeah.
Then others.
When the British give independence, okay, Muslim go here, Hindu go here. That will become India and Pakistan, right? Because all the Muslims went to decide become Pakistan.
No, that is a mix. All a mix. India also not for one part is Hindu, one part is Muslim.
But Kashmir is Muslim.
Kashmir is not Muslim.
But plenty trouble. They like to separate from India.
Yes, because it's near Pakistan.
Near by Pakistan
Near
is border.
Pakistan. Yeah.
Same Malaysia, Singapore.
Yeah,
Same
yeah.
Kashmir and
But Singapore very good regulation. No bad people.
because why you know?
Yeah, because plenty money.
No. You Philippines also can. You give one state. Example Sampayo. No, example what is the Manila? Only Manila can control. Singapore very small.
Very
That's
small.
why can
That's
control.
yes, you can control.
Malaysia cannot control. Malaysia very big. My country also cannot control. My country big. In Singapore,
Yeah, very small.
Very small. That's why they are. That's why they are.
everything is good.
Only Chinese.
Take taxi, 2 hours, can see 3-4 days. Out of control.
Only one day you can go around Singapore.
Only 1 day, 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours Netflix.
One day you will be arrested.
Publish.
We will try next time. Alright, breakfast maybe. Very good. Flexible. Alright.
But where you from Bangladesh? Where you live in Bangladesh? You're Bangladeshi?
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
And by Dhaka.
Oh.
Dhaka is the Bangladesh is the main city.
Yeah, we are confused because why Singapore is rich than us, but Philippines has everything. We have everything and big, and yet the people, the country,
Yeah, because Philippines is corrupt.
Also the Singapore controls all the government. You Philippines no control government. You own self. You want make a land 5 house, no problem. Singapore cannot make 5 house. Singapore you buy house, you married, then you can buy. No married, you cannot buy house. Singapore.
Ah.
Also you married, buy only 1 house. You cannot buy 2-3 house. And you buy selling house, 2 times you can sell. Anytime you cannot sell.
Ah.
One house you buy this one, you thinking, oh money growing up, I'll sell this one, buy another one. You can buy 2 times only. Anytime cannot.
Yeah, but the
Yeah. Very difficult. No. Singapore, you can buy anything. You can buy house, can buy car, only give the little bit money. Bank give all money for it. Example, you buy one house, you give only $5,000. You get house. You buy car, you give only $1,000. $500, you can get car. Monthly car. Everything free.
but for the 12 years you stay here, you never apply citizenship.
No, cannot. Because Singapore only giving the engineer all of the priority. Small company, okay. This is big company. Company needs to support. So this company never support all the grade level B, C, grade level A, all giving. Also this one giving take the more time.
But in Philippines,
how many years before you go? You go back home.
I go home every year.
2 months, 3 months?
Also, every year 10 months after I go home. Some people going 5 years, 3 years.
you
Up to choice.
you did not bring your family here.
Yeah, I bring already.
Ah. Only vacation, no?
3 months. After that, 3 months can go home again. Can bring.
But in Philippines you have plenty of Bangladesh.
Oh yes.
But they are mostly on business.
Business, most of student.
Yeah. The plenty in Philippines is Pakistani and Bangladesh.
My 2-3 friends here coming. Take job now. Before he studied Philippines.
He work?
It's a very cheap, yeah, work. It's a very cheap living.
Yeah.
School study, college study, fees, very little bit only. Oh,
Yes, yes.
all the
Singapore is expensive now.
all expensive, cheap.
Yeah.
Food also cheap there.
Yeah. Very
Yeah,
because the standard is high.
Study, yes. It's a Philippine cheap, very cheap. You can Singapore 1 month, you can expend 2,000, 3,000. Philippines, you stay 3 months.
Yeah, if you're not, if you're not so, you can survive. If you don't go to very.
Because in one company, steel company in Philippines was bought by an Indian.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the workers are Bangladesh and Pakistan. And the engineers are Indians.
Or mix of the
Yeah, but
3 or 4 countries.
this is a big company. This is the biggest steel company in Philippines. National Steel.
Now, now,
Made in Japan. Made in Japan. Nihon ah.
Nikon.
Olive.
Olive. Ah, Japan.
Olive.
Japan ah. Hapon mo ito.
Japan.
Oh. Takay na.
very good.
Sana sana.
17.2.
Ha?
17.2.
72.
17.2. 1702.
Lip.